So hi everyone, welcome back to Data Science in your pocket, and as you can see on my screen, the biggest news of the month is here. Introducing Claude Sonnet 5, our most agentic sonnet yet. Claude Sonnet 5 has been released, and as you can see, Sonnet 5 agentic coding 63.2%, agentic coding Terminal bench 80.4, multidisciplinary reasoning 43.2 and 57.4 with tools. Computer use is 81.2 and knowledge work is 1618. As you can see, the model is not at par with Opus 4.8, for example, but on knowledge work, it is almost matching the model. Sonnet, it's a new version of Sonnet, it's not a new version of Opus. Do remember that. It makes plans, uses tools like browse and terminals, and run autonomously at a level that just a few months ago required large and more expensive models. They are more towards a cost efficient model, Sonnet 5 to be honest. And here we can read about the new news here. What does Sonnet 5 bring us for? Introducing Sonnet 5. Claude Sonnet 5 is built to be the most agentic Sonnet model yet. It can plan, use tools like browser and terminal, and run autonomously at a level that just a few months ago required larger models. As you can see, they have released the benchmarks here that we can see from today. Sonnet 5 is available across all plans. It is a default model for pre and pro plans and is available for max, team, and enterprise users too. So you can see that it is a default model that you would be getting now in free plans also. Working on Claude Sonnet 5. Charts below compare the performance of Sonnet 5 with Sonnet 4.6 and Opus 4.8. And here you can see that the model is good, efficient in terms of cost. Again, it's not the best, most intelligent model by Claude, but the most cost efficient, you can say. And if you're looking for most of the daily day work tasks, I think Sonnet 5 should be your go-to model. Here you can see certain reviews coming from Daniel Shepard by Zapier and Zimuli by Factor. Misaligned behavior also, if you look, Sonnet 5 is standard 2.53, below Sonnet 4.6. 5 of 147 exploit deployment. Availability and pricing. It is available to everyone at a price of $2 per million tokens and $10 per million output tokens. And this is it. The model can be used for free on Claude. So let's test it out also. And you can see that Sonnet 5 medium. And here you can see that Sonnet 5 medium is available now for free for everyone. Hey, what's up? What model are you? Quick answer is coming out. I'm Claude Sonnet 5 made by Anthropic. What can I help you with? So as you can see, Sonnet 5 Medium is available for all the users. The latest model by Claude. Do try it out and let me know in the comment section how you feel about the model. Looks great for cost efficient tasks. Thank you so much. I hope you have a great day.